Ever cracked your screen, walked into a random repair shop, and just hoped they knew what they were doing? Yeah, don't do that. WISE is basically the repair world's version of a license. It stands for Wireless Industry Service Excellence. It means the tech has been trained and certified to repair your phone the right way with the right tools, the right safety steps, and without deleting your camera roll. Because honestly, one wrong move and you're looking at a fire hazard or worse, a bricked phone. WISE certified techs are backed by major carriers and even insurance companies. So before you hand over your phone, ask one question: are you WISE certified? If not, walk away.